Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at JavaScript string methods. We will run through each of them and we will explain what each one does. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to motivate me more to produce such content, you can now become a Patreon of the channel. The link is going to be in the description below the video. Let's start right now. Let's start with the length method. The length method returns the number of characters in a string. In the example below, it returns the length of the string Robert, which is 6 characters. To verify this, let's run this script. As you can see in the console below, the output is 6. Next, let's have a look at the toLowerCase method. The toLowerCase method converts all characters in a string to lowercase. In the example below, it transforms the string hello world to hello world with all lowercase. Let's verify this. So I'm going to run node index.js one more time. And as you can see in the console, it outputs hello world with lowercase characters. Similarly, to upperCase method converts all characters in a string to uppercase. In the example below, it transforms the string hello world, which has a combination of lowercase and uppercase characters, to hello world containing all uppercase characters. Let's verify this behavior. As you can see in the console, it outputs hello world with all uppercase characters. Next, let's have a look at the indexOf method. The indexOf method finds the first occurrence of a specified value in a string and returns its position. In the example below, it returns the position of the string how in the message, which is 7. Let's see that in the console. We can see 7. Now let's check the substring method. The substring method extracts a part of a string between two specified positions and returns a new string. In the example below, it extracts the string love from the original message. We have the message I love JavaScript, and we are defining a partial message, which is a substring of the message starting from 2 and ending on position 6. Let's see what it will output. As we can see, it outputs love. Next on the list is the split method. The split method divides a string into an array of substrings based on a specified delimiter. In the example below, it splits the message into an array of words using space character as the delimiter. Let's see how this happens. First, we declare a message variable, which is equal to I'm learning JavaScript. And then we define another variable, which is words, and we split the original message with the space delimiter. And now if we console log words, we will see the array containing each of the parts of the string divided by the delimiter of space. Let's now have a look at the JavaScript replace method. The replace method searches a string for a specified value and replaces it with a new value. In this example below, it replaces the word cat with dogs in the message. Let's see that on the console. As you can see, we output I love dogs. And lastly, let's have a look at the trim method. The trim method removes white space from both the beginning and the end of a string. In this example below, it trims the extra spaces before and after the text hello world. You can see that we have space right here and space right here at the end of the string. If we output the trimmed input, we will see hello world without the space. And that was the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you again in the future.